This is Nancy Griffin at Heyward Allen Toyota in Athens, Georgia. Wanted to alert you of a new certified vehicle that we have in our certified inventory. It is a 2018 Avalon XLE. It is in the Sizzling Crimson Mica. It has the black leather interior on it. It has a total of 10 safety systems on here, including the ability to look at your tire pressure on here. It also has the dual exhaust, as you can see on here. I'll show you the inside of the trunk here. It's got a very wide opening. We have a full-size diameter spare tire underneath, and then it has the carpet on top there. There is a way that you can get into that center there, so if you've got something very long that you can put through there, or if you want to throw a pocketbook back there without anybody seeing you open up your trunk. You do have a 12 volt down here for a charger that is really hard for me to get to from here. It does have this beautiful black leather that is in here. It has been taken care of very nicely. We've got a total of 10 safety systems on here. We have a 6-way power seat that's on here. It does have the heated seats and the ability to change it from eco, normal, and your sport edition. Go through here in the front. You can connect up to 5 smartphones, one in control at a time. You've got 36,746 miles on the vehicle. And a lot of the safety systems you can turn on and off and change the strength on them to be stronger or less strong. You have AM, FM, XM radio for 90 days, and it also has the CD player, which is going away, so this is one of them that still has it on there. This is the charging place down here for the phone in the front. So I would love to go through all of the perks of having the certified car. Give me a call. 770-313-2171 is my cell phone. Best way to get me. Again, Nancy Griffin. Thank you.